Okay, this is a tutorial on how you can use Major. Now, it's no different from project like dogs. So you'll be given some number of tokens according to the account age of your Telegram. That is the number of years where you don't spend for Telegram, that they will take you points. But it doesn't stop there. You can come to end tasks and perform most of this. You can purchase stars and you get 50,000 tokens. You can promote, you can boost their channel, you can donate rating, you can also invite friends. You can invite friends, you can get this thing. Tappy, wow, this is a new one. Let's see how this one works. Oh, and subscribe to their channel. This Tappy can like to open webcam and proceed. So this is just different types of tasks in which you can use to gather more points. So I'll just skip this, you see, checking your account age. So I'm on this tapping of a thing, don't they fade now. Now this type of mining now we can experience. So guys, make sure you take this seriously. So you this star major job is going to cook definitely. For my, I think my network is bad currently. I'm having a bad network. Well, I will come back to this tutorial later. So let's just skip this for now and go back. Okay, welcome back to this tutorial. And then I think can check subscription. Tax not completed yet. I'll do this later. So you know just add, you come to rewards, you think you spin, you get some tokens here, spin. So you know hard, you know just really hard. Now just remind me, just in case. Any 500, yes. So this stuff not really hard. Activate bonus. This one, hold to end, not hard for 1 minute. Just press and hold. This is how mining. This is how we mine major. Very easy. No stress. All this kind of job now I dey like. I swear. So you press and hold, not move on. Make sure you press and hold. If you move on, uh it will stop and it will not continue again. So this one is not hard at all. I think that spinning, you come back every 8 hours to come and spin again with this one also every 8 hours. So that's it. Finished. Tell me what. That's it. So it not pass like that. Yeah, you come back every 8 hours to spin again. So the next 7 hours, 58 minutes, 8 hours. These are the rankings. People are man, geez, wow, that's good. Yeah, you can come here and invite your friends. I've invited to a good number of friends. You can copy your link. You can just share them directly. You just copy from it directly. And this is your profile. Here you check old coin. This one are the number of coins we claim. So also you just switch in the past like this. So this is a full tutorial on major. In not pass like this. So you just switch. So stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.